Cadillac Club over here at the Toby Beach Car Show. Check out all the Cadillacs.